In this video, we're going drifting with my best friend, teaching him how to slide my glitter 350Z. So, real quick, we're in the... It's dusty and dirty because we're in the cornfield. Anyway, we are in the Missile Z right now. I'm teaching Parky to slide like a real G. I'll show you my little display right here, and being able to, if you saw something and needed to drift around it or get really close to something, you're not quite there yet.
No, hell no.
So that's what we're practicing today. Raceway right now. Yes, oh my gosh. Too far. Yeah. Saved it though. Out and get you doing it. Take me up here. Oh. This is so bad.
I wasn't listening for it.
Okay. Well, white fiber.
That's what she's in. No. I think I see what popped. Don't look back, Marky. I don't think she's quite that cambered.
What's the latest?
Well, you broke your axle too.
The axle's toasted?
Yeah.
No!
Tie rod or something.
This is awesome. So I decided to take off this rim for the Z, and you can see just how decimated this tire is. It's pretty scorched. The inners are cooked, so we need to get some new rubber on here.
How are we gonna hold that?
Hold what?
Because we don't want the. Wait, that shouldn't have been that easy.
Well, we got her.
Is that the only thing holding it in?
I don't know.
Oh,
No, just on the jack stand. So real quick, little update. Homeboy's ripping the Milwaukee. We got two out. We got to spin the axle. Got the S2 in the back. Anyway, what were you saying? I got a used axle on eBay because it was actually marginally more expensive. But you were like, why did you buy a used one?
how much was it?
70?
Oh, I guess the eBay one was.
But it's OEM, and I feel like that would be stronger than a cheap aftermarket one. Obviously, a cheap reinforced one would be better, but... Hopefully you like this video and this little drift compilation. If you did, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Check out buying this thing and transforming it in quite possibly the worst way. And if you've stuck around this long, then be sure to check out this little blooper of me taking my mom for a rip. She absolutely hated this thing.
Good. Please. Just don't. Don't. Please, that feels so
It was neutral. But that'll wrap up the video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. With that in mind, I will see you on the next one. Peace.